Hi guys, this is my account. My level is 2,144. My money is 17,698,511 and my gems are 23,191. I have flash set, I have race to shark ability. I have no aura. I will buy next year or next weekend, and I have no ability of instinct, so I have this item meme cube request scroll noob head lag mansins cola ball. My power is here, bruh, and my accessories pumpkin head, saspals, claw pahat, egg dodge. And weapon, pumpkin, portal, yellow blade, pixel sword, pink hammer, flame katana, hanger. That's all guys. Bye. Don't forget the bounty. That's my bounty. Bye.